Just a quick video to announce that I'll be talking at the Tinnitus Relief Summit next Wednesday, the 5th of February at 7 p.m. UK time. This is organised by Treble Health, and I'll be talking about the importance of body-based therapists for helping people with tinnitus. So if you'd like to come along and register, the registration is free. Please click on the link beneath this video and then hope to see you there. There'll be lots of really interesting speakers at the event, so opportunity to learn a lot about tinnitus.